Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix SteelSeries Arctis Nova one mic not working. First, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and find the sound icon. Right-click on it and select Sounds from the menu. A new window will open. From here, click on the Recording tab. You will see a list of audio devices. Look for your headset microphone, which is often labeled as Realtek Audio when using the Arctis Nova one with an analog connection. Once you find it, click on it, then click Set Default. Make sure it shows as the default device before moving on. Next, open Windows Settings. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings. Inside Settings, go to Privacy. Then find and click on Microphone. In this section, make sure that the option labeled Allow Apps to Access Your Microphone is turned on. If this is off, your microphone will not work in most applications. Now open the SteelSeries GG software on your computer. Once it is open, go to the Sonar tab. Inside Sonar, look for the microphone channel. Make sure the correct input device is selected. It should match your headset microphone. If your microphone works in some apps but not in games, there may be a conflict with Sonar. In that case, try disabling Sonar temporarily in the GG settings and test your mic again. These steps usually resolve most microphone issues with the SteelSeries Arctis Nova one. Thanks for watching.